Good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session of science class. In the previous session, we have discussed about the class and feeds of the birds. Today, we will discuss about the nests of the birds. Children, do you know what is nest? Why the birds prepare their nest? A bird's home is called a nest. A nest is where a bird lays its egg and look after its chicks until they are ready to fly. Birds do not make a permanent home like we do, but they make nests to lay eggs and shelter their young ones. Birds also need a shelter to live, to bring up their young ones and to lay eggs. They choose places which are safe from enemies and bad weathers. Most birds make their nests on trees. Birds use dry leaves, grass, twigs, wool, thread, hairs, pebbles, etc. to build their nests. Their nests are usually cup shaped, but they differ in shapes, size, location, and materials used. They lay eggs in their nests where baby birds come out. When the baby birds grow, they fly away. The parent birds also leave the nest. They build a new nest to lay eggs again. Now, let us discuss about the nests of different birds. The tailor bird. The tailor bird makes its nest with leaves using its sharp beak like a needle. That is why it is called a tailor bird. It makes the filling with leaves, cotton, soft grass, wool, etc. to make the nest cozy. Okay, children. The weaver bird. The weaver bird makes a beautiful hanging nest. It weaves the nest using straw and twigs. There is an opening through which the bird enters its home. The nest is made in such a way that the eggs are kept in the upper part to remain safe from enemies. Okay, children. Now, woodpecker. Woodpecker makes hollow means hole, in the tree trunk using its beak. This hole is its nest. To make its nest cozy, it lines the hole with chips and wood, with chips of wood. Now, pigeon and sparrows. Pigeons and sparrows make their nests with grass, straw, pieces of cloth, cotton, etc. on rooftops, old buildings, and under bridges. Now, penguins. Penguins makes nest with pebbles and stones because it is the only available material in its habitat. They makes their nest on the ground. Vulture. Vulture collects some sticks and makes the nest. The shape of the nest is a shallow cup. They make their nests on the top of the big tree. Do you know, children? A cuckoo is a lazy bird. It does not build a nest at all. In fact, it lays its egg in the nests of other birds. The other mother bird, mostly crow, hatches the eggs of the cuckoo along with its own eggs. Okay? A guillemot does not make a nest. It lays its egg on bare rocks, but the shape of the egg prevents it from rolling off. Okay, children? Most waders and game birds like lapwing bird and mallard duck, Arctic tern, build their nests on the ground. Either their nests are well hidden or their eggs and chicks are well camouflaged to shelter them. Birds like ostrich lays its egg in a communal nest called a dump nest, which can hold 60 eggs at one time. Flamingos build nest mounds made of mud, small stones, straws, and feathers. Kingfishers build their nest in cavities, usually tunnels dug into the natural or artificial banks in the ground. Some kingfishers' nest is arboreal, termite nests. Hummingbirds build its nest with twigs and leaves, compact cups with spongy floors. Grebes build their nests near the water edges in emergent vegetation. Many large birds like the heron build big untidy nests of twigs and sticks which last through winter. These are mostly high up on trees in the middle of big ponds. Okay, children, this completes the chapter. I hope you all understand this concept. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.